Hey there, Diggins. Welcome back to CryptoNinjas. My name is Dale. This video, we're talking about memes, especially on BNBChain. Solana's been the meme king for months, pumping out billion-dollar dog coins left and right, but out of nowhere, BNBChain crashes the party like a boss. Volumes exploding past $20 billion in a single day, flipping Solana like it's nothing. And the memes? They're straight up insane. We're talking 33,000% pumps in hours, a scam coin turning into accidental sensation, and CZ'd himself bull posting BNB meme season, like he wants to take down Solana. If you're not in yet, buckle up. This is BSC and not Binance Smart Chain, but BNB Super Cycle, and it's just getting started. Even the big dogs are barking. James Wynn, the perp trading legend, is all in, loading up on the trenches. Jake Gagan, the Pewpolar YouTuber slash influencer streaming live with Win, pulling 40,000 viewers to hype BNB's takeover, dropping gems on why these memes are the next multi-billion runners. Stick around, we're breaking down the top 3 Memecoins on BNB chain you should look into today. Let's dive in. But before we get in today's video, use our Binance Alpha referral code for 20% off on your trading fees. Thank you very much. All right, let's rewind to where this madness kicked off. October 1st, the official BNB Chain X account gets hacked. Yeah, some social engineering attempt breaches the account, spams phishing links, fake airdrops, and drops a shady meme token called 4. Why 4? It's a reference to CZ's iconic meme, holding up 4 fingers, blocking out the FUD, and focusing on building. The hacker only snagged like $4,000 before the team locked it down. But here's the plot twist. The community didn't rage quit. They flipped the script. That 4 token, it exploded from 0 to a $260 million runner in days, gaining $343 million in 24-hour volume, and even got listed on Binance Alpha. On-chain data shows over 100,000 traders jumping in, 70% still in green. It's the ultimate lore drop, from scam re to community redemption arc. This hack didn't break BNB, it lit the fuse for the super cycle. And just like that, memes became the chain's secret sauce. Now, fast forward a few days, and the fire spreads global. Enter the Chinese meme wave. Because why stop at English when you've got billions in Asia ready to ape? First up, BNB. That's Binance Life. Launched October 4th, it wishes everyone to have the dream life on Binance. Drive a Binance car, live in a Binance community, and enjoy a Binance life. Pretty wholesome, not gonna lie. The token rocketed to the peak market cap of $510 million. One trader turned $5,756 into $1.6 million, 280 times. Crazy. Another flipped $3,500 into life-changing gains. It's the first Chinese ticker token to hit Binance Alpha. Iconic. Then comes the mascot magic. Palu. Inspired by Binance's viral Chinese account character. Think a cute ball-headed critter that's basically CZ's spirit animal. CZ reposts fan art, boom, straight to $100 million market cap. Whales are stacking, communities are raiding, and it's got that perfect blend of adorable lore and degen energy. These aren't just pumps, they're cultural takeovers. BNB Chain's DEX volume was $20.5 billion on October 8th alone, smoking Solana's $12.7 billion. 19 of the top 20 trending coins, all BNB. This BNB supercycle isn't hype, it's happening. With the foundation now set, let's talk new plays. If you're smart, you're not chasing yesterday's runners. You're loading the next wave. I've got 3 tokens that scream supercycle winners, community-backed, narrative gold, and primed for that 20x glow up. Obviously, this is not financial advice. Do your own research. But I really think one of these will get listed on Binance Alpha next and pump up at least another 20 times. First is the BSC meme, short for Binance Supercycle. CZ tweets BSC stands for, and the replies erupt, Binance Supercycle. Within hours, this token launches and surges 33,000% from sub $1 million to $49 million market cap. It has that viral narrative, whales rotating profits right back in. If BNB hits $1,500, which analysts are eyeing, then BSC could eclipse $100 million easy. Right now, the token's sitting at around $5 million in market cap, a steep drop from its ATH, so a 20x could be expected. This is your chance. Ape in early, hold through the noise. Number 2, Yepe, the yellow Pepe. This one's really meta. The lore is simple. Every chain deserves a Pepe, and apparently on BNBChain, it's the yellow Pepe. This Memecoin is shielded heavily by James Wynn and Jake. It went from a few hundred thousands initially to the ATH of $38 million market cap. Now it's trading at around $15 million, still a minimum 2 times if this picks up momentum, and an easy 5 to 10 times if it got listed on Binance Alpha. Keep in mind, this is Jake and James Wynn's biggest shill, and their influence and reach is no joke. Next, we have Season, symbol for BNB meme season. Born from CZ's BNB meme season tweet, it amplifies the bull market vibe, connecting builders, influencers, and degens for collabs that stick, up massively to even $30 million market cap, with $40 million in 24-hour volume. This coin should be a good alternative for BSC. These two share similar vibes and meaning, but Season is lower in market cap compared to BSC, sitting at $4 million market cap RN, so more growth potential. But Binance would probably list BSC on Alpha. Still, it could be a good 2 to 3 times from here. And number 4 is my personal favorite and conviction play, BNBHolder. A little context. On October 9th, Binance released a new feature, Meme Rush, similar to 4.meme or Pump Fund, with a bonding curve mechanism. However, only KYC users using the keyless wallet on Binance Wallet can trade the newly launched coin. Once they migrate, then everyone can trade. And BNBHolder was the first ever meme that bonded and migrated on the platform. It went up to $170 million in market cap in an hour. That's 60 minutes since the platform launching. It also amassed over $380 million in trading volume in the process. I think BNBHolder really deserved the listing out of all these coins. It's the biggest coin born from the latest product by Binance team. Massively underrated. However, since it's at 60 million market cap now, if the listing actually happens, I'm only targeting a mere 3 to 5 times. Solana had its day. Now BNB's eating its dinner with CZ at the helm. Influencers like Win and Gagan fueling the fire, and memes minting millionaires left and right. We're seeing a massive transitioning from Solana trenches to BNB. These 5 meme coins I mentioned have the potential to make it big, being listed on Binance Alpha and potentially futures or even spot. So grab your bags on BSC, Yepe, Season, Pup, and BNBHolder. The next leg up's coming fast. What do you think? Is BNB the next meme coin trend? What's your favorite BNBChain meme coin at the moment? Drop your takes below, smash like, and subscribe to CryptoNinjas for crypto content. And if you're trading on Binance Alpha, remember to use our referral code for 20% discount on your fees. None of the things or coins I mentioned in this video can be taken as financial advice. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you on another video. Stay safe. Daily out.